How to see which apps has camera and mics access in your mobile phone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can check that. So for that we will simply go to mobile settings. Now here you guys will search for permission. So I'll simply search for permission. Once I search for permission, here you guys can see apps permission manager. So simply click on permission manager. Once we click on permission manager, here you guys can see permission manager. So simply click on permission manager again. Once we click here you guys can see body sensor, calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, health, and other things like microphone. So for camera access apps, I will simply click on the camera. Like here you guys can see 24 of 60 apps has using my camera. Once I click here you guys will see all the allowed apps. Also you guys will see allowed all time apps. Now I will simply back. Here you guys will simply click on microphone. Like I have 23 apps that has microphone access. Once I click here you guys can see allowed all time, allowed only well in use, like camera, CapCut, and other apps. So that's how you guys can know. Thanks for watching.